courtesy of Max. We have the XC60 T6 with the inscription package as our Leap car today. We're currently here at an undisclosed location, of course. Got the Speciality, the 720S, Luke's Aventador. Of course, we got the Lagonda, the $1 million Aston Martin that no one has ever heard about. Here we go. Let's hop in here. Got the BC with Mike, and we got Dan the Man in the brand new $1 million Aston Martin Lagonda. Of course, got the Speciality just chilling right over there. All right, let's roll. How do we Oh, there he is. Put the XC60 to the test here, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Got Crazy Mike and the BC. We're headed to Newport Lambeau. We got the Lagonda right over there. $1 million car, guys. The only one in the entire United States. Oh, Jesus. It's currently 8:53 a.m. on a beautiful Saturday morning. We're currently, unfortunately, we're in the OC. Ooh, it's a nice pop right there. But we're definitely going to Newport Lambeau. Dude, those are like gunshots. All right, guys, let me know in the comments below. Who's got louder pops, the SVR or the Wire PC? Jesus Christ. Let's see what kind of crowds we got today. No one's going to be expecting the Aston Lagonda, guys. Definitely the car that's going to surprise everyone. Oh, the crowds are actually quite manageable today. Quite impressive. We got the cops just staring everyone down. They're like, these motherfuckers. There we go. We got the BC rolling in with the front lift up. We got Luke's in the Aventador. We got the 720S Mystery Man. And of course, we got the Lagonda behind these policemen over here. Let's see how the crowd reacts to this $1 million car. No one like even batted an eye. They're just like, what is this thing? Quite the crowd around the Crazy Mike's BC with the new exhaust. Minimal people around the Aston Martin Lagonda. We got the 722 Roadster right here. They have let the A12 in today. And no Ghibli. No Ghibli today, guys. Sorry to disappoint. Double the wing. What do we got? What do we got?
The Instagram handle.
What? Your dark-skinned poppy. Wow, that's a very subtle, okay. And peep the M4 GTS right there.
200 grand.
They used to be 200, now they're like what? 80, 90, 100?
90, 100.
100 for like a very low mileage, half the price. And check this out, guys. We got a legit fake F-Type V8 quad exhaust. It's got the carbon rear here.
The cheap carbon fiber wing.
Is it a wrap?
No, it's real carbon. It's just not good quality.
It's
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's ready kind of coming apart, but we got Max Showstack thinks this is not even a V6S. It's a little lower. It's got different wheels on. It's got these side skirts as well. And peep the wheels on this Rolls Royce. I'm gonna let you guys decide what you guys think about this. There we go. And we got the SV Roadster. Oh, lady driven. But these wheels, what the hell, man? There you guys have it, the Lambo Squad. It's a family affair. Respect, I like that. Check this out, we're peeping the MSO X, and I nearly stepped in this pile of Mondo dog shit right here. Now that would have been a really bad time, guys. But here we go, we got the MSO X. They made 10 of these, based off the 570s. track performance. It's got the tow hook. Ronald McDonald spec. What do you guys think? I know last time at Newport they had all 10 out. That was pretty cool. But the problem with these cars is the cost, and they cost around $350 to $400. Crowds have cleared. Everyone's going inside because they heard an Aventador SV startup. We got the Lagonda right here. What do you guys think? MSRP $1 million. They're supposed to do 200, but they only fill orders for 120. Do a 360 walk around this sucker. It's the only one in North America. It's like the ultimate mob mobile right here. Understated, classy. Questionable design, but oh well. Is it worth $1 million? Yay or nay? The Aston Martin you guys have never heard about. Oh, got a fuckboy in a Volvo station wagon. Are you kidding me right now? Here's the Aventador in question, guys. Check it out.
I just let it.
And then the bigger Hankook.
Two type. What happened to the rear here though? Look at the back. It's got a sticker that says financial mistake. I think that's yup. On that note, we're done with the Newport Lambo show. We're gonna head the fuck out of here, guys. Oh, look at that. That's a clean leap, guys. That's a clean leap. Back here at Javier's, guys. Check out the SV Roadster with Minnie Mouse at the helm here. The child seat. Whole family affair here. Dad's driving the green Murcielago. Wife's driving the SV Roadster. Hold on, we're gonna polarize. Hold on, wait. Polarize. We're gonna zoom in all the way. It says unique model built as tribute to Mira SV chassis 4846. There you guys have it. The final Aventador SV. Making a quick pit stop here at the Porsche dealership in Newport Beach. We got a couple of 118 scale models here. They look to be die-cast. Check out this purple Cayenne here. Hold on, it's hard to get the color, but it's definitely purple, guys. What a spec. Got the brand new GT3. Mind you, we got the $25,000 market adjustment, but check this out. I'm gonna zoom in on the $17,000 option. It says custom tailoring option, special wishes that requires further ... All right, so we figured out why this has a $17,000 additional option for the interior. We got the leather in the rear seat of the GT3 here, which makes no sense. With the ultimate troll spec GT3, someone specifically went to the factory and said, you know what, we want to spend $17,000 on the rear seats to make a leather. I think the worst crime that was committed by this car is the terrible color choice. It's in base color silver. Come on, if you're gonna spec a GT3 with a custom leather rear, you might as well go all out, but it looks like a base interior. And it's not 6-speed, it's in silver. And asking for $250,000. This is the epitome of the OC. We're in the customer lot for the service area. Every single car is white and black except for the beige. There it is. There's no other color other than white and black here. We're back in Beverly Hills, ladies and gentlemen. We got a G65 in matte black.
3 side pipes.
Wait a...
2 wasn't in the house.
Do the stock G65s have 3 pipes?
No.
Why does this one have... Wait. 3 pipes? Alright, scratch that, guys. We have a fake G65 on our hands here. Best spot of the day. We got the Fantasy series. I can't even pronounce this correctly. Let's take a look at the description. It's a silk rope bondage set. A favorite Japanese love aid for centuries. Are you kidding me right now?
Is that a Bible to go with it?
Where? What? What's? Oh, let's take a look at this book. Hold on. What is it? Ooh, it's. I'm gonna. Ooh. What's the first?
Oh God, we're so damn close.
Come on. Andrew Jackson, the
course of American democracy.
We got Fetish and Andrew Jackson in the alleyway, dude. We're actually going around the back through this alleyway to check out Pagani Beverly Hills. They're moving some inventory right now, but oh man, that's naughty. Dude, ready to take a shot at acting? Look at the guy's fucking face, dude. It's like that emoji that's that we all endear and love. Dude, we got the Resvani tank in action on Rodeo. We got the Hollywood tours, people just freaking out. I wonder who's in the car. Like, he's showing them his phone or something. You know, I think it's Jamie Foxx. Here, let me try zooming in on the... I think it's actually him. Like, not even joking.
Yeah.
Dude, check out this. Oh my god, he's got the Rari fucking license plate on a first gen California. That is absolutely goddamn disgusting, ladies and gentlemen. His light's green too.
This guy's grabbing his
What the? Yeah. There we go. He's going for it. Whoa. Take 3? All right, take 4. Take 4. Here we go.
Hold on, get your flashes ready.
What's that noise? What's that car?
D12?
All right, here we go. This is it, guys.
1, 2, 3. Flash on. Get it.
What the